Top 12 handsome actors na successful businessman din. 12. Alden Richards, CEO ng MyRed Corporation, isang multimedia production company para sa live events, co-productions at esports. 11. Sam Milby, co-founder ng Bright Bulb Productions, may real estate investments at dating co-owner ng Prost Resto Bar. 10. Dingdong Dantes, may business ventures tulad ng Agosto Dos Pictures, Tech Startup, at Mesa Restaurant Franchise. 9. Piolo Pascual, co-founder ng film production company na Spring Films. 8. Jerome Ponce, may sariling construction business sa Batangas. 7. James Reid, founder ng Careless Music at may iba pang ventures tulad ng Reid Entertainment at Careless Holdings. 6. Enrique Hill, may investment sa real estate, digital ticketing at film production. 5. Ian Veneracion, may men's skincare line na Timeless by Ian Veneracion at Ian Darcy Fragrance. 4. David Licauco, CEO ng Mad Business Group na nagpapatakbo ng restaurants at may construction business. 3. Daniel Padilla, may investment sa coffee franchise, theme park, fast food at grooming businesses. 2. Gerald Anderson, may negosyo sa hospitality, fitness, sports at film production kabilang ang beach resort. 1. Paulo Avellino, co-founder ng PlaySpace, investor ng Lupon WXC, at founder ng WASD Films.